Anyways, okay. What else we got here? Potter, I think you got the rest of the lineup here.
Yeah, I have the next two. So the first one is really good if you're have a Mac Mini, and this works with others, but it works best with the Mac Mini.
Okay.
And you're fans of the old Macs.
Yes, and there's another question.
And if you need a dock,
and if you need USBs, what the hell?
It's just too perfect, to be honest. It's basically it fits right on top of a Mac Mini. On the back is where it hooks USB-C to USB-C.
For the audio listeners, so this is a Mac Mini looking dock that sits on top of your. I'm sorry, this is a Macintosh, OG Macintosh dock that fits on top of the Mac Mini to just make it look like it's the old Macintosh.
Yeah, right. I mean, right out of it. So, and that is a screen up there. I don't know how much you can do with the screen, because it's not the highest resolution. But that isn't just a sticker on front. There's a little screen up there. So they said it's really good for you want to watch a YouTube video while you're doing something else, like a second screen.
So wait, how does the screen operate? Is it a second?
But you can see it right there. It actually runs. If you want to, it is a screen.
It's pulling a second screen off of the Mac Mini.
Through the USB-C.
Wow.
Now, like they said, not necessarily the most practical given the size and resolution.
But still, and this is the one they're showing works with the new Mac Minis, which are a different form factor. Yeah, he's watching a video on there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Like it's obviously
so you can use it as it's like 7 inches, so you can use it as a second screen.
Okay,
it has a 5-inch screen. So, but still, nice little 5-inch screen. 720p. So it's not bad. You get you get 4 USB-A, 2 Cs, a card reader, audio head, HDMI. So they do have a 10 gigabyte and an 80 gig, and they have a larger and short and smaller one. So now these aren't dirt cheap, obviously, because it actually does something. It is Kickstarter, so you got to take that grain of salt will whatever ship. The low end one retail of $169, currently $99, and the more expensive one, the early birds, of $199, eventual retail of $389.
Okay.
So, but if you can get it for $99 for a nice hub with a little second display, not the worst thing in the world.
No, that's pretty great. It's I see it as we talked about Rundown here, and I could see it just being a little like clock on it from Rundown to like if I'm timing something, like if I was using a Mac Mini for like a show like this or something, and just to throw a little something over there, so in a browser or something. So. But that's very cool. So, and that was a 9to5 Mac we were showing the video from as well. So,
yeah.
And he said, is this only for the M4 Mac Mini?
No, you can actually use it for anything, not even the Mac Mini, as long as it's a Mac that you can do a USB-C to USB-C.
But it seemed to wrap around the like.
Well, no, to get the wrap around.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So it's made the form factor that, but you could
really,
Leo? Use it. It's some. Yep. Okay, we got a cat run through.
Cat.
We need a sounder for the cat run throughs actually. So, but
let's say you wanted to use that for a MacBook Air, you can place that on top of your MacBook Air, or place it next to it.
Yeah.
So you would still have that little second screen. It wouldn't be as nice because it doesn't cover it, but it would still, give you that second screen. It still gives you a hub. So it still works that way.
Excellent.
That's fantastic. I'm having flashbacks to college because I used to write term papers on those things. But that it looks, if you're listening to this, it looks fantastic. It is very, very close to looking like the real thing.
So it's much better than the aquarium.
The Macquarium,
yeah, the Macquarium, right? So
yes,
and I still got an iMac G3 sitting there. I'm like, man, maybe I should just put some fish in it, kind of situation. I love when Ponder loves when I go picture in picture because he points at me. So, this is one of the reasons why I don't do this too often. So there's a lot of, oh man, maybe they'll show you on Patreon what's happening in the studio right now, because it's not recognizable right now. There's some stuff going on. There's some thinking of the studio. Let's put it this way. And we'll talk about it on Patreon a little bit here. Anyways, Punter, you have the next one as well.